So friends, this video is about the post installation of our HID's projector lamp which we had shown. So this is the DRL and you can see the intensity. Now let me switch on the headlight, which is another just a HID. So this is the HID. It takes approximately 10 seconds for the HID to get it maximum brightness. So you can see over here that intensity is growing. Okay, now if I switch it off and then switch it on, it will be fixed because it's now warmed up. So the intensity of HID is far better than LED and the lowest is halogen. So HID is the most powerful and you can see the intensity is quite good, but this is my topmost light, that is my default headlights. Now I'll switch on my fog lamp to show you the HID which I was talking about. This is the intensity, it will go on and you can see that it is intensifying and the perfect blue arc is there, and both the lens are they are aligned so that they can very clearly show a single line across, and this is the extra intensity. Now you can see that how bright it is in the bottom, and I'll put my car in a longer distance area. So friends, now we will be going in a reverse direction so that you can understand the intensity of the light, and I'll show you. Slowly we are moving back, and I'll tell you that how far we are. You can see that the intensity of the light is still the same, it hasn't deteriorated at all, and at the end of that edge it's still the same. I'll show you another point and you can see it, understand it much better. So friends, we are starting with the distance, and the edge of the car over here you can see that it's quite far and the intensity is still very good. And slowly I'll tell you what is the distance between where we are actually standing and that point at the end of the wall. So I'll slowly drive and you can see the intensities. So I'll be slowly driving and you can very well see the intensity across. Then I'll show you the comparative with a high beam of the same car without HID. So approximately this distance will be 100 meters. So let's see how far it is. We were able to this car was quite easily visible and that wall was slightly visible, so the distance between that car where we were standing and this car is approximately 90 meters where we have reached, and another distance from here to the end point where we can quite well see, and that distance is approximately 0.1. Let's see how far we have over here. So this distance is around 50 meters. Yes, so this is 150 meter, 130 to 140 meters intensity light. The very good section is approximately around 100 meters, which is very highly bright, and the other part which is there, which is not so bright, is another 50 meters. So overall you could say the intensity is quite good. Now I'll show you the intensity with normal lights. So let me switch off my all the lights, and this is the intensity of default lights which are there with the company, and I'll show you in a better manner. So there is the wall at the back which we were targeting, and it's a high beam. So there you can see that car at the end. So that car is now 150 meters approximately, and this is the intensity, and here you can see that blue arc is still there, and it's a low beam, and this total distance is approximately 150 to 140 meters. So the intensity is quite strong, and across you can see that it is quite well, and you can see the on the edges of both the sides of this frame is quite well illuminated. So overall I would like to say that's quite good, and definitely a recommended one. So I recently purchased from the shop which I had shown you in this video earlier before, and this is the intensity. And any doubts, any concerns, any questions, just post me, and thank you friends.